ako ng holder ng hose. Ito yung hose natin. Hello everyone! Today pupunta kami sa aking mother-in-law, sa aking in-laws. Dahil in-invite kami for lunch. So dito kasi, pag mga lunch-lunch, dapat may invitation. So yon, family lunch. We usually do it once or twice in a month. So ayan, magi-grill daw yung aking in-laws. So yan, before that, before tayo pupunta doon, may measure ako kasi for the next week, may gagawin akong project. So ayan, ito kasi yung washing machine area namin. Tapos ang gagawin ko ay yung magdi-DIY ako ng hose holder kasi nga siya, plastic. So wala naman talaga tumatagal na plastic. So I need to make it kasi yung nilagay ng kasawa ko dito, tinanggal niya yung normal na hose. What we have here is the industrial hose. So, sobrang bigat. Pero okay naman siya. Okay lang sa akin. So, this is a washing machine area. Ginawa ko tong DIY. Yung door na to ay ginawa kong DIY. Ito, gagawin ko pa to for the next days. Tatakpan natin yan. Mga isang taon na yan na nakahang na ganyan. So, yeah. Ginawa kong DIY yung door na to. At ngayon, ito yung hose natin. Yan. May measure ko yung kailangan ko na materials para dito. Yan. So, napakabigat kasi industrial nga na hose yan. So, yan. Dito yung washing machine natin. Ito. Yun. Lahat dito na space, ginagamit namin. Yun. Tapos, yeah. Yan yung washing machine. Tapos, yung hangiran namin, andito lang. Kaya kung ginawa ito, yan. Diyan lang namin hinahang yung clothes. Ayan. At saka pag sobra, ito ginagawa namin. Ito ginagamit namin. So, ayan. Let's measure. So, yung kailangan ko lang naman dito ay yung ito. So, I need 20. So, 20 and 15 na width. Ayan. Enough na yan. Gagawin ko yan. Tapos, yung gagawin ko ay idodrawing ko yan sa AutoCAD. Tapos, titingnan natin. Yan ang project ko for the next coming days. Magwe-welding ako. Ito-drawing ko, ika-cut yung metal, at saka i-weld ko. So, let's see what will be the result of our project. Okay? Today, gagawa tayo ng, yung sinabi ko last time, nagagawa ko ng holder ng hose. Yung mga material at gamit na kailangan natin. Yung material, na-measure ko na siya. So, I need this one. So, I need to cut the metal. And this will be the main holder na ilagay ko sa wall na isuscrew natin. Then, I have this, how do you call it? This sandpaper para ma-weld natin kasi nga medyo rusty na. So, I need to sandpaper it first before natin i-weld. So, later, when mag-weld tayo, I need this one. Hindi pa ito nagamit. First time ko gamitin to. It is a magnet to hold the piece of metal in place na para mag-weld ka, hindi siya mag-move. So, I have 2 pieces of this. Ganito siya. Yan. Ganyan siya. So, later, ito yung gagamitin natin. Mag-hold ng metal. Pag nag-weld tayo. So, any angle, you can have it. Yan. That one. Depende kung anong kailangan mo. I need goggles, of course, to protect our eyes. Baka mabuta tayo dahil mabuta. So, I need that one. This one, of course, this is the sponsored product. It's from Bosch. My husband loves to buy Bosch products. I need a table later when we weld. So that's our welding machine to use later for welding. No, later. I will cut this first. So, ngayon, lilinisin natin yon. Nandito na yung nakat natin. Actually, we have a machine for this para i-linisin. Yung i-attach mo to. Pero I prefer not to kasi maliit lang naman. So, ayan. Tapos na natin i-tanggalan yung rust. So, ngayon, bago ko i-weld to, bago ko po i-weld yun, magluluto po muna ako ng lunch. Yung ginagawa ko po dito is spare time ko lang talaga. So, I'm still a mom after all. I'm still a wife. Kailangan kong magluto ng pagkain para sa pamilya ko. So, I'm going to cook fish fillet and I'm gonna prepare fried rice. Yung fried rice dito, hindi yung lumang rice na luma na, tapos i-fried mo, hindi. Bagong luto yung rice, tsaka gagawin kong fried rice. So, yun. So, yeah. And have salad. Fried rice, fish fillet, and salad. That will be our lunch for today. Bago ko continue yung paggawa ko ng aking project na hose holder. Ayan. See you later. There are some certain things na hindi ko din magawa. So, I have to ask assistance from my husband. Kasi as a babae kasi, pag nanganak na, we don't have that certain strength na kagaya ng dati. So, one thing na I asked my husband to assist me, pagbutas ng metal na ito. Kasi ito yung magiging holder natin. Ito po yung magiging holder natin. Ito yung isa-screw natin sa wall. And yan. Tapos, we have two drill dito sa bahay. Yun ang isa ay ang pang heavy duty na drill. Yun yung ginamit niya ngayon kasi itong maliit na drill is only for pang wood, yung pang konting ano lang, yung mga magagaan lang na dinidrill ko. Ito yung ginagamit, yung maliit. Tapos, this one, ito yung normally na ginagamit namin pag nag-drill ng wall. So, ito yun. For cement and for metal na makakapal talaga siya. So, this is the one. Oh, yeah. Pang heavy duty. Nakuha pa pala. So, ayan. So, ito, gagawin ko na siya. I-weld ko na siya. Ready to weld and to put it on the wall. Magagamitan natin. So, tingnan natin what will be the result. Who's that handsome guy there welding?
That's very good. Always go right behind me. If you get
Okay, I think it's done.
there you go.
Whew, thank you. Ay.
Yep.
Stable as you. So, ngayon, ilagay na natin sa wall. I-mount to the wall. Ito na yung result. Let's see. So, this is the before. Yan. Let's see. Will work. I think it's enough. I think it's enough. Are you tied up, please?
I need to do a hold. Do a hold.
No need.
That's a problem. This is good. This is.
You will not bump because the hose is too much for that. Okay. Whew. Look at my love. Yeah, we can put it also, but oh, good enough?
Yeah.
No?
Let me put the bit there, please. From here to there or something.
Yeah, I can put it to cut. Ayan na, tapos na. So, these are only recyclable metal that we use. Kaya hindi siya pare-pareho itong mga to. Pinulot ko lang yan doon sa stock namin doon sa kabila. So, yun. Ito na at least stable na siya. Pinturahan na natin pag may available tayong pintura. Pero as for now, usable na siya. Yun lang yung important nito. Thank you for watching. And thank you for my husband for helping me. My daughter inside.